Only on Fox, an upstate man is home after spending months in the hospital with COVID-19. We started following Robert Barrios' story after learning about his diagnosis over the summer. His story now making national headlines as we're learning more about the long-term effects of this disease.
And only on Fox, Robert's wife talking with our own Brookley Cromer about his battle, which is far from over.
Well, as of today, DHEC confirms in South Carolina more than 171,000 cases of COVID-19 across the state. Now, tragically, more than 3,700 people have lost their lives, but almost 168,000 have survived. And out of those survivors, some people, like Robert Barrios, face the long-term effects of the disease. Robert Barrios spent nearly 3 months in ICU battling COVID-19. He worked as an essential worker during the first few months of the pandemic and contracted the virus in late June. By July, he was on a ventilator fighting for his life, but eventually pulled through. After returning home, his wife says he's still experiencing long-term complications from the disease and was just diagnosed with pneumonia yesterday.
My husband being a COVID long hauler now, it's meanings that you're just not the same as you were prior to being diagnosed with COVID. Some of the things that he's still experiencing, even with being COVID negative, is difficulty breathing. He's experiencing basically all over body pain. He still has tremors, headaches, definitely memory issues, memory loss.
Summer believes legislation needs to be passed at a state or federal level to help essential workers like Robert who contracted the disease. Now, a GoFundMe page has been set up to help Robert and his family with medical expenses due to COVID-19. We have that link in our As Seen On section in our Fox Carolina News app. And I'll have more from that interview coming up at 11. Reporting live, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock.